listening to NOAA's Hazards Radio, station KWO35 in New York City. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Station KWO35 broadcasts on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz.
For the following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, Southern New London, Northern Fairfield,
Alright, they're playing it now.
Northern Middlesex and Northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Wind advisory in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to midnight Friday night. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 6 a.m. Friday to midnight Friday night. Locations: the entire tri-state area. Hazards: strong winds, southwest 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: early Friday morning through Friday evening. Impacts: these winds will be capable of downing tree limbs and branches, causing isolated power outages. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.